Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the video overlay in CapCut PC. I think in this video, especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So for example, I'm just going to add the photo, and to add the video overlay you can select your video and drag to the track and put on top another clip like so which is this video overlay. So this video overlay you can resize, and you can remove for the background. Just go to cutout, select photo cutout like so. Just for the position you can add the another video as an overlay. Just put on top. You can add more than one video overlay. So this overlay resize. That's how you can add the video overlay. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.